Okay, so today I want to demonstrate a game I created just for learners to demonstrate, a gamification, to demonstrate the importance of the ecosystem and the different elements that interact in the ecosystem. This is by no means a comprehensive experience, but an introduction, to the concepts that are fundamental to the ecosystems, things like water and how you can have, carbon monoxide affecting plants and everything, carbon dioxide, CO2, sorry, affecting the ecosystem and everything. So the goal of the game here is to restore the environment. So what you need to do is, as you can see, right, all the text in red is basically hints on what we should do. So the first thing that we need to do is to find H2O, basically water. And you have to think, where can we find H2O in a desert? I guess my best guess would be, areas where you have plants growing like the cactus here, probably a good place to actually start searching. So how do you actually dig for water? You press on H and keep on pressing for H. As you can see now, we have water splashes coming out, and we have a health bar here, which basically is telling us how the environment is doing. Initially, we started off with a very unhealthy environment. Everything was disastrous. So this man here is kind of a cyborg, so he does not need oxygen to live. He basically needs the sun. He probably has some solar panels. Once that's done, what we need to do is now is to be able to plant seeds. So we're planting seeds. In this case, these seeds would be a representation of plants, right? Um, and the idea is we have water all over the place, and the plants should be able to grow. And once the case, the plants have grown, we have vegetation, and everything is back to an okay state. So basically, that is just the game. Not really uh, fancy, but it does demonstrate, the need of water, plants, vegetation to actually, remove CO2 from the environment and things like that.